Hi, welcome to Cooking with Ashanti at the Place. Hi, my name is Ashanti Hasley and I have a learning disability, but it doesn't seem like it. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make shake and bake chicken. It's an old school recipe your mom, your grandmother make it, but I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make it step by step. Showing you guys how to make shake and bake chicken. So I'm going to put my chicken in my strainer and clean it. And I have my gloves and my bag and my lemons. And then I'm going to be putting my chicken in here to put in the oven. And then I'm going to put this to season my chicken. Then I have put my chicken in here to marinate and season it. So today we have barbecue glaze, extra crunchy, Parmesan, ranch, and buffalo. And then these are the seasonings I like to use. I like to use all-purpose seasonings. And then I come over to the sink to show you how I rock my chicken. But first, you need to put on gloves because chicken has a lot of bacteria and then you can get salmonella. So I put these on. And then I put my chicken in there. Then I start rinsing it off. And now I use lemons to make sure all the bacteria is off of it.
Me, listen. This is gonna be great.
Then I just wash it off with the lemon. And then after that's done, I rinse it off even more. And then now when that's done, I take my gloves off and I come over here, I get a paper towel and I like to pat them so I could put some seasoning on them. So now I got my chicken on washed. Now I'm gonna put it in the seasoning bowl. There we go. And so my seasonings. And then this is an easy recipe to do. I'm gonna take this bowl and bring it over here. And then I'm gonna take my gloves off. And then now I'm gonna come over here and then I'm gonna get my bag. Your bag, and then you put your shake and bake it, you open it. And you put your seasoning in. And you take this. Take that chicken, put it in there, take it out, and put it in the Pyrex pan. Put another one. Take it out. Put it in the Pyrex pan. You can shake off a little bit so it won't be all over the pan. And boom. And I turn my oven on. Or oven. And then I want to put it on 375. And I press start. And then I wait for my oven to get hot. And see, this is what your shake and bake should look like. And now I'm gonna go over here and put it in the oven. And here you go. And then place it in the oven. You can make a side dish with this. So I'm gonna make pasta with my shake and bake chicken. It's an easy step. You just follow the recipe back here. So the chicken takes up to 45 minutes and make sure it's fully cooked. And so now I made some pasta. It's quick and easy and it has vegetables in it and you'll love it. See? And then our final product of the chicken. And over here I have a salad and the pasta. It's really good. It's easy to make. And you can also put like Parmesan cheese on it. Here, I'll show you guys what I like to put on it. I put this Parmesan cheese on it. And then you sprinkle a little bit on there. It is so good. You guys should try this and make it at home. And thank you guys for tuning in with me. It was a pleasure talking with you guys, and I'm gonna sit here and enjoy my lunch. See you guys on the next episode of Cooking with Ashanti at the Place.
This podcast is powered by The Plug.